Are you actually consuming what you think you're consuming? And then obviously the contamination of that product as well. And so it's important to understand there's a lot more in cannabis than just THC, CBD, phytocannabinoids, and terpenes. There's a whole host of traditional plant elements in there too. There's a lot of cellulose, a lot of sugar, a lot of chlorophyll, of course, as well, to help with the photosynthesis. And so when we talk about cannabis, it does become a rather nuanced conversation. There's a lot of extra elements that we need to consider. There's a lot more in that cannabis plant that we need to be aware of. Understanding the actual constituents of cannabis, what's found within the cannabis plant, is really essential. And so when you're finding these products, when you're consuming these products, make sure you know exactly what is in that product, ask for testing certificates, make sure it's being produced responsibly, just so you can protect yourself from any unwanted effects, any potential harms, and any adverse reactions. When we talk about cannabis products, when we talk about CBD products, it's really important to understand that the products that we can purchase over the counter, the products that we might find amongst our friends or in the black market, are very different from the compounds and products that are being used in the research realm. And so you can see here just how different the price discrepancies are. There is a whole lot more refinement, testing, and processing that goes into the compounds that are used in the research world and in the lab compared to over-the-counter products that you'll find online or in shops. Those have had far less diligence over those products, far less testing, far less refinement, and so what you find and hear about in the research is not likely to be reflected in the products that you buy over the counter. The two products are not equal. There's a lot of variation. There's a lot of also contamination. And so it's very important that you understand that what you read in the research and the findings that are found in research and through science are very different from the results that can be achieved through over-the-counter products and what you will just find on the everyday high street or online.